Never share your 5 things with anyone in your life. We all have some secret that we do not share with anyone. By sharing some things with someone, our heart becomes lighter and we come closer to her. But there are some things that should not be told to anyone even after forgetting. Number 1. The secret of your success. If you tell someone the secret to your success, people will try to do the same. But if they fail, they will accuse you of not telling them the truth. So never tell anyone the secret of your success. Number 2. Don't share your problems with anyone. Sharing our problems makes us feel lighter and less burdened, but instead of solving the problems, it increases it. In fact, 70% of the people are happy to hear about your problems and 10% really care. So think twice before telling someone your problems. Number 3. Don't share your dreams with anyone. If you have already set your goals and dreams in life, it is best to keep them to yourself, because sharing them can affect your point of view and your purpose, and you can get caught up in it. Always remember that we cannot get the same advice or opinion from others, because every person has a different point of view. Number 4. Don't share with anyone how much you earn. Your income is definitely something that others should not be aware of. Number 5. Don't share your family problems with anyone. There is no family that does not have problems. Some have big problems and some have small ones. But sharing with strangers will never solve those problems. You should talk to your family members about these problems. Sharing these issues with others only